So this right here is the most bought catch can on Amazon. I'm gonna kind of go through it, open it up, show you what it looks like, give my review on it. It can be used as a inline positive crankcase ventilation canister, catch can, or just ventilation for like a boosted engine. So if you're gonna be running this as an inline generic typical catch can, you're gonna seal off the top, have your inlet there, your outlet over here. But if you're going to be using this as a vent, a crankcase vent for like a boosted, turbo, supercharged, high performance application where you have more crankcase pressure than you normally do, and you need to vent that off to atmosphere, I found by looking at it to block off the inlets and go in on the outlets. And the reason for that is in the housing, the inlets and the filter outlets are right next to each other. So I figured, what's the point of having the crankcase ventilation coming in here to go straight out the filter? You see the hole right there? I figured, what's the point of that? It's not going to be filtered. It's going to be stinky. A lot of oil residue. The filter can get dirty a lot faster. But if you go in through the outlets, it's separate. It's separated. Right here, it actually takes a filter. So this is the filter that it takes. It threads on right here. So again, if you go in right here, it's gonna bypass the filter and go straight out the top to ventilation. So that's gonna be kind of nasty. It's gonna be straight oil residue getting on the filter. But if you have it coming in the outlets, it's gonna have to come down, at least get into the filter material of the canister, and then it also gets filtered right here before it comes out the filter up top. Really, the only point of that is having like a cleaner discharge, cleaner ventilation, so you're not having just straight oil vapors coming out the filter. It's going to be somewhat filtered in this way. My truck is supercharged, so that's why I'm running it in the ventilation type instead of recirculating the crankcase pressure back into the engine. I'm just going to run my valve cover breather hose here and let the excess pressure just bleed off. What's nice about this kit is it comes with different size barbs for different size hoses. You've got small, medium, large. You can hook it up in different ways, like I said, ventilation or inline. It's got this bracket to install it in different ways. You can bend it. I've seen a picture of the reviews where they use this to mount to like a fender or engine brackets, or you kind of got to get creative on where you mount it. So yeah, it was like $25, and I like that it's customizable to what you need. So here's the catch can. I've decided to mount it right here on the fender. Can you even see that? Mount it right there, run a hose from here to the valve cover. It's all fucking gonna get me in trouble. That's pretty lame. See that? That thingy? The little penis head, the mushroom tip. I'm going from there to this penis head. That's what I'm doing. You thought I should explain what I'm doing.
No, you're gonna have to. And route it around here. Boom, bitch.
Get out the way.
Fuck yeah. Fuck.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You sharpen this, don't you?
Yes.
You can tell.
So what if that wasn't enough? What the fuck?